Good morning, everyone. This Tuesday morning here. This is German Fitness. I just want to show y'all guys what I put in my protein shake in the morning time. Okay, starting with the organic kale. Kale, I love kale. Kale, tons of nutritional value in kale. So kale in there. Then I also throw the blackberries here, strawberries. Also, do the blueberries too. B vitamins. Got to get the B vitamins. Give you some energy. Do the 365 whey protein powder. One of my favorites, the vanilla, adds a really good taste to my protein shake. And also I do the L-glutamine, kind of help my body recover a lot faster. Okay, so now I'm getting ready to make my protein shake here, and when I'm done, I'll show y'all guys at the end. Really good.